Security and defense, especially also.
We will be discussing key geopolitical topics today, starting with the Western Balkan, and I have a very clear message. There is a place for all Western Balkan states in the European Union. Enlargement is the priority for the European Union, and if our candidates deliver, then we have to deliver too, and we are delivering. As you know, after 17 years, we have established for the first time the working party on the accession treaty for a new country. This is Montenegro, and the last Eurobarometer has shown that the people of Montenegro are really very much in favor of becoming a member of the EU. Then on the growth plan, implementation is running well, and in the next day we will disburse close to 200 million for Montenegro, Albania and Montenegro. And we are also bringing tangible results when it's about the gradual integration. As you know, last week Serbia has joined Albania, Montenegro and North Macedonia in the SEPA, and we are now preparing the Western Balkan EU Summit, which will be in Podgorica on June 5th, and I am expecting really strong commitment from all the candidates from the Western Balkan to stay firm on the European path.